just cleared out the space so I can install the Kilmat sound deadeners. I have them here as I showed you guys in the video yesterday. Here's the roller that I will be using to flatten it out. I need to get my blade to cut. Again, this is the mats. You peel the paper back and then you stick it on. Simple as that. So give me 2 seconds and I will get my blade because I need to cut it to fit the wheel wells, certain parts. I don't have to necessarily do the entire surface. It says you can only do, I mean, you don't need to do an extensive 100% covering. They said 20%, 20% is like the bare minimum. I'm gonna start from the back first and work my way forward, and yeah. So got my blade, got a tape measure just because I always have one on me. Got my mats. It says to have some scissors, a blade, a marker, tape measure, roller, and a white spirit to clean, a degreaser. I've already cleaned the van, or cleaned where I'm going to apply it, so that I don't need to do. Pen for marking, what? I'm not sure. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. So got a piece of candy and we're ready to roll. I'm gonna start with the wheel wells first. I'm gonna try and adjust the camera so I can angle it downwards so you guys can see. Again, I'm using Kilmat sound deadening mats. Car sound deadening mat is the full-on shebang. Here are them. Kilmat, 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 Kilmat. Okay, so far in the close video, hold on. Listen to music. So far I've got the wheel wells completed. That's it down there. It's fully covered 100%. And now I'm about to start the walls. So I don't need to cut so much the walls because they're kind of basic. No, actually, no, no, no. I don't know. So one up here. And again, I'm not covering everything, just enough. I'm gonna try and get maybe, I don't know. They're not covered. No, that's what I'm saying. There's some color, and some results. So I'm going to instead, turn around. There's some smaller shapes. You know, actually, no. It's not a game. The box came from 27 sheets. I had to use 4 each on each willow. Yeah, 25 each. Like I said, you guys, I'm starting with that first, and then we're going to be forward. Let's get these cats. Let's try to work around it with. Get in there. Do this one here. That's not just landed. That one is. Leave this on. I'm okay with that. Or anywhere. I should probably knock this. That's some small strips. I can go ahead and pieces. Try to get it down. I want to see that queen. It's alright. We'll see. Okay, so I have installed all of the well, not all of the Kilmat, but I put in all the areas that, I don't know, I guess the biggest cavities. The wheel wells are done. Why does this seem so close? Nope. So I've installed all of the Kilmat, well, not all of the Kilmat, but all of the areas where I feel there will be sound caused by something, anything. The wheel wells are completely covered, and I may do the ceiling. I didn't do the ceiling yet. I still have a whole other box and probably maybe half this box left. So I may do the ceiling, but I have to just map out where exactly I want, well, where my skylight and fan will be, so I don't pretty much put sound dinner in that way. So yeah, pretty much we are done for the day. So now to test it. All right, later.